Hi everyone, welcome back to Beth's Best Hair. I'm glad you could join me tonight. I know it's been a little while. I had an eye treatment. I'm still just a little bit red, but I'm feeling better, and thank you all so much for your well wishes. I wanted to bring you Kate from Paula Young. She is in the color SF1228 Honey, and I had done a little mini review of her on my Instagram account at Beth's Best Hair, and so I just wanted to pop on and show you that, and then also I wanted to do a couple styles and try a little something with her tonight. So first of all, I want to show you her stock photo right here, and we'll go ahead and compare. And I'll include her specs with the lengths in the next slide. So if you want to see how I got Kate to this point, I want you to watch the next clip, and then we'll come back and I'll show you some styles.
So after spritzing with water, get in there with your fingers and mess her up and activate that permatease to lift the fibers. Now grab your wide tooth comb and start combing the style and getting the part the way that you want it. Here's where I take my fine tooth comb and I start lifting the fibers and the hair up and over the permatease. Once that's set, I'll add some dry shampoo to tamp down that shine. Now add some root spray to the part if you like. I also spray my bio sides with the wig to blend, and also root spray a few other sections to give the wig dimension and make it look more natural. Now just comb it into place, finger fluff, and how cute is that?
Alright, so she turned out pretty cute. It didn't take too much. We just did a little bit of that BETH'S Beautiful Brunette Dry Shampoo. I did a little bit of the L'Oreal Medium Brown Root Spray and some water and your fingers. For permatease, she is not overflowing with permatease, but she does have permatease on the top, but it's pretty tight in there. She doesn't have any up here on the crown, so she's pretty light as far as that goes. I like the curls on this one, and I like the layers.
So I want to do a 360 and show you how cute this girl is with all those waves and her length. Look how beautiful that is. Great movement. Oh, she is a pretty style.
Alright, so let's just do a quick talk about Kate. As you can see, she's a long curly style. She has quite a few layers, and they do get pretty short here. She is your basic cap from Paula Young with that soft front, the bendy ear tabs, the Velcro closures, and the extended nape in the back. The one thing that is bothering me just a little bit with the style is right here. It kind of wants to flip kind of funky where the bangs are. I feel like I don't need to trim them. I like the length. I'm just not quite liking that little bit right here. Now Kate is not heat friendly, but I was thinking, and this is an experiment, so don't quote me on this. Don't try this on yours and wreck yours and then blame me. Don't do it. But I want to try just my hot brush. I'm going to spritz a little bit with water, and I'm just going to see if I can almost like steam that little bit, and maybe it will require me to use a scissor. I don't know. So if you guys want to stay with me, we're going to just do this little experiment.
So I'm just going to spritz those bangs with some water. Comb them down. Now I'm going to turn my round brush on a medium heat, and I'm just continually moving the round brush. I don't want to leave it in one place too long and singe the fibers. Again, it's on medium, so I don't really think there's a chance of that. The purpose of the water is basically trying to steam with the hot air coming out.
Okay, so I do feel like that helped. I mean, it still kind of is flippy. It doesn't look like it damaged it. Honestly, it just kind of looks like it took off the dry shampoo and kind of looks shiny again. But I could trim just that little bit there, but I have kind of found that I don't necessarily, I used to trim them all the time, and now I kind of find that I like to play with the wig for a while and wear it for a while and really decide if I want to cut it, because the hair doesn't grow back. So you kind of learn your lesson. You know, I also wanted to do some styles because I miss doing styles for you guys. So if you want to stick around, let's go for it.
So a cute little flower headband, perfect for that. Now I'm just going to twist and add a little sparkly bobby pin. We'll twist the other side and add another bobby pin. And I'll give you a little spin around so you can see how cute that is. And now I'm going to work on doing a half up messy bun on top. Just twist the hair around, use a claw clip to secure in the back. Add a little accessory for some pizzazz. We'll spin again so you can see how cute that is. I'm going to do my side swept style, twist it up at the back to hide that wig line, use a claw clip, and now go ahead and add a bow or a flower or some kind of accessory. And doesn't that look cute? Now I'm going to twist it all around and then twist it into a side bun. I'll secure that with a claw clip and then tug on the bun just a little bit to make it a little bit messy and deconstructed. Now I'm just going to add another sparkly bobby pin. I'll give you a little spin around so you can see how cute this is. Cute little formal style. How easy was that? Now I have my little claw clips and I'm just going to do some multiple twists on top and secure with the claw clips. Let's do a little spin. That looks so cute. Just something a little bit different, kind of fun. Headbands are just perfect with this style because of the layers. And then I'll just take half of that up and just add a big claw clip there. How about my cat ears?
All right, so what do you guys think? With her layers, she's really cute. She really works great to tuck behind your ear. Just a little tiny bit of my bio hair there. I mean, that looks pretty darn natural. So I just use a wide tooth comb. I don't brush, and I just kind of like almost like a pick because she is a curly style. I also have this African Essence wig control spray, and I'll have a link down in the description box so that you can purchase this on Amazon. It's actually like a conditioner spray for wigs, and it works really good on these curly ones, and then just sort of scrunch it up, and that's the best thing that you can do. And then when you also at night, when I take them off, kind of just get the tangles out from the nape. And I will use the Simply Styling Silk Spray for that. I also have a link in the description box below for that. I'll have a link for Kate. I got her on a great sale. I think I got her for $34.99 actually, believe it or not. So she was a really, really good deal. And I know that we're coming up on Labor Day, so there's going to be a lot of sales. So I wanted to get something out for you guys here before Labor Day in case there was a style that you guys were looking at. So again, I just want to thank all of my subscribers who have been with me from the start, all of my new subscribers. Hi and welcome to Beth's Best Hair. We're always going to have our best hair day here, and I'm so glad that you could join me here. It's a lot of fun. I love doing wig reviews. I love styling wigs. Wigs have been wonderful, life-saving for me. So, and I love Paula Young because they're affordable, and you can't beat that, and they're beautiful. So you guys, thanks so much for joining me. I'm going to try to be a little bit more consistent, and I do have to have my eye treatments about every 5 to 6 weeks. So sometimes that puts a little damper on it, but I'm going to try to keep consistent for you and try to upload once a week. If you don't, you might see a little short video clip from me, and that might just be a quick styling video that I'm just sort of recycling or something that I have put on Instagram. So you can always find me over on Instagram, and I'll link that in the description box below. You can email me, I'll link that in the description box below. Thank you guys again so much. I love every single one of you. You are my friends, you are my cheerleaders, you are my champions, and I hope that I've inspired you to do some fun things with your wigs. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.